Right, Gerald?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, he agrees. It's okay. Don't listen to what he says. It's fine. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tiff, aka GrkYgrt, and today I have a review on my super awesome, amazing Secretlab chair, and it's probably the best chair I've ever owned in my life. I'll show you guys why. As a reminder, I stream every single day except for Wednesdays and Sundays on twitch.tv/GrkYgrt. Links in description if you want to check it out. I don't know, it's up to you. Let's get into the video. I'm just gonna come out and say it. This Secretlab chair is probably the most comfortable chair I've ever owned in my entire life. The quality is impeccable, the comfort's out of this world, and I can't recommend it enough, to be honest with you. It's got incredible features like a comfortable headrest, a comfortable back support pillow, a recliner, obviously an up and down adjuster, and it comes with adjustable armrests as well. So I'll show you guys all the features, and it's pretty amazing chair for the price. It could seem somewhat expensive for some folks, but for somebody who sits at their desk all day, it is extremely worth it. I push my chair here into the center of the room so I can give you guys like a full 360 view of what my chair looks like. But here's the thing, right? Everyone has a Secretlab's Omega chair, right? But nobody has my chair. No. Hear me out. Nobody has my chair. Nobody. Not anybody in the world has my chair. Watch. Oh, you may think, hey Tiff, that seems like a normal chair. You're right. This is a normal chair. Secretlab's Omega. Great chair. But do they have Gerald? I didn't think so. That's my chair. Honestly, if anyone has done this before, I wouldn't know. I haven't really seen anyone with googly eyes on their chair, but this is my chair, and it's the most amazing thing I've probably ever done to a piece of equipment that I've owned. I'm gonna be honest with you. It was kind of a spur of the moment thing. That thing where you wake up in the morning at 3 a.m. and you're just like, oh my god, I need to put this on my chair, or oh my god, I need to do this, that kind of thing. That was exactly the thought process. Some people have several different gaming positions and how they sit, and when ordering this chair, I was kind of concerned that the bucket seats would limit me from either sitting crisscross or just one leg under, the other, or something like that, because I promise you nobody sits in the normal, traditional, weird, this shape. Nobody sits like this, unless you're a psychopath, for 7 hours a day if you're out of your chair. It's quite easy to sit like that, to be honest with you. For me, I have a footrest under my desk, and it's so much easier to sit straight, given the fact that my legs are kind of short and I can't really reach the floor, based on my desk height and how high the chair needs to be for my legs not to hit, or for my arms to be the optimal level for my keyboard and my mouse. And after having this chair for a month, I can say that it's lasted, I mean, it's only been a month, right? So it should be okay. I haven't seen any noticeable wear at all. The wheels seem to be fine, especially if you have dusty floors. You can kind of catch the dust on the wheels, or weird hair that's on the floor or whatever. But other than that, there's nothing wrong with the chair at all. Other than the eyes that I put on it. The duct tape's still kind of making the thing white. But it's fine. That's a problem that only I will have, right? I'm okay with that, because it makes me happy. Right, Gerald?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, he agrees. It's okay. Don't listen to what he says. It's fine. As you guys can find on their specs page, their seats are made with their 2.0 PU type leather material that is okay in hot weather. Your legs can get a little sweaty if your room is over 80 degrees. But living here in super hot weather where it's 110 every day during the summer, it's bearable. It's not too bad, especially if you wear longer shorts or just pants. You don't really notice it at all. Sometimes also the stitching on the side of the seats, I'll show you guys right here. The stitching right here can dig into your skin sometimes if I don't know, maybe because I'm too fat for this seat, but yeah, that's one con I got. But other than that, I don't see anything else wrong with the chair. There's also a soft weave fabric option if you prefer the softer softer touch. But I was afraid, I always eat at my desk, and I was afraid I was just gonna like spill something on it, or just like, you know, and I'll never be able to get it out. It's so much easier to get stains off of leather, easier than it is to get stains off of fabric. So I went with the leather. Obviously the fabric is like, I think it's like $20 more or something like that. It's not too bad. It's not too bad of a jump. But yeah, I went with the leather. Good choice. The colorway I got was the stealth colorway, and I like it a lot. It's basically their default kind of design on the chair with the red stitching and the gold lettering. I'll show some B-roll over this so you guys know what I'm talking about. But it's cool. There are other colorways that look super awesome. There's custom specialty designs based on like games and stuff. I know they have an Overwatch one. They have different like esport team ones, and I think it's really cool what they do with their chairs. Yeah, as I was saying, this is the most comfortable chair I think I've ever used in my life, and every single chair comes with lumbar pillow and its own headrest pillow, which is both made out of this wonderful type of like memory foam, and it's not stiff at all in any way. Now I'll show you guys the features. All right, I'll show you guys the features. Check this out. So you can obviously, the chair goes all the way up. This is the chair all the way up. It's pretty high off the ground. Having a really low desk for some reason, I have an extremely low desk. It works, but obviously not all the way up. I'm at least 5'3", so I have to like basically put it all the way down with a little bit of room. But this is the chair all the way down. That's it all the way down, and that's usually about where I sit. As well as going all the way down, the chair can also recline with a lever on the side. You could basically go all the way back, and it's almost like a laying down position, but it's not. So yeah, I don't know what you could say about this, but it's a pretty easy swivel once you're laying down. It's not too bad. One thing I wish it had was a footrest. That's probably another thing that this chair is missing, is a footrest. If this thing had a footrest, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my. Oh, with the flip of the lever on the left-hand side, that's how you stiffen once the lever's not flat and it's like kind of angled, it doesn't activate the reclining feature anymore. So once you flip it back to its regular position and you lean back, it's a recliner. Other than that, I highly recommend this chair. Keeps my tush comfy, keeps my back comfy. I kind of have some like weird back issues, so this lumbar memory foam back pillow is very, very comfortable and basically fixes all of those issues. And being able to adjust the angle at which you sit, I sit pretty far forward, so having it hug my back is also a great feature. I'm too short, I think, for the headrest. It kind of sits in a weird spot, and it's not really for me, but it's there for anybody else who would be willing to use it. I know when I actually recline all the way back, I'll like take it off of the top of my chair, and I'll just put it behind my neck and just like take a nap. Honestly, I could probably take a nap just sitting there like that, all the way back, just like reclined with my stargazing lights above my head, and it's a good time. I don't know. If there's ever like a max point of like zen in which I feel at one with the world, it's that moment when I'm fully reclined in my Secretlab chair with stars above my head. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit like. I don't know, it takes a second, and maybe subscribe too for more videos like this. I usually make reviews or tech tips or just basically like day in the lives and stuff like that. It's mostly always related to technology because I personally love technology myself, and it's the future, man. Technology is the future. You can check out the merch also in the description that just dropped. We have this fancy schmancy GrkYgrt hat, GrkYgrt shirt. It's great. We also have some stickers down there as well. As you can see, I have on my microphone. Super awesome. But yeah, you can check that out in the links down below. I'll also leave a link for the chair down below. And you can also check me out every single day except for Wednesday and Sunday at twitch.tv/GrkYgrt, which will also be in the description, of course. I've been GrkYgrt. Catch you on the flip side. Goodbye.